Hello everyone, myself Zainab Hasim. I am a student of Banarsi Das Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy. Here I am presenting about National Sports Day. Sports are considered very important for the physical and mental development of humans, stressing the need to stay fit and healthy and to spread awareness on the importance of sports. National Sports Day or Rashtriya Khel Divas is observed on 29 August every year, which is also the birthday of Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand Singh, worldwide known as Wizard of Hockey for his magical touch, superb control, creativity, and extraordinary goal scoring feats. Chand was instrumental in taking Indian hockey to greater heights under his talismanic leadership. One of the lesser known facts about Chand is that once Hitler was so overwhelmed by Singh and his performance against the fatherland that he decided to buy Singh's hockey stick out of admiration for the three-time Olympic gold medalist. It is also said that Adolf Hitler offered him a significant compensation to play for Germany, but he was a patriot of India. Major Dhyan Chand was the part of the three-time Olympic gold medalist Indian hockey team. He won the Olympic gold medal on the three occasions 1928, 1932 and 1936, cementing his position in the pages of history. So to give real tribute to such a legendary player, the Government of India decided to celebrate his birthday as the National Sports Day since 2012. National Sports Day is celebrated extensively at the national level. The celebration highlights the overall importance of sports and the necessity of sporting activities in maintaining a healthy and fit body. The need of the hour for youngsters in this nation is to stay fit and healthy. This holiday is an excellent occasion to see many sports competitions and activities at Indira Gandhi National Stadium. It is organized every year in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the President of the country honors eminent sports personalities with major awards, in particular Khel Ratna, Arjuna Awards, Dronacharya Awards, Dhyan Chand Award. The Dhyan Chand Award is synonymous to the Lifetime Achievement Award in sports and is the highest on the list. In 2019, wrestler Bajrang Punia and Deepa Malik nominated for the Khel Ratna, and notable Arjuna awardees we have Mohammad Anas Yahya, athletics, Anjum Maudgil, shooting, among others. Considering the importance of sports, the government has launched several schemes and initiatives in the field of sports and games like the Fit India movement and the Khelo India scheme. On the occasion of National Sports Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the Fit India campaign. It is a nationwide campaign and it aims to encourage people to inculcate physical activity and sports in their everyday lives. The Khelo India scheme aims to boost mass participation of youth in annual sports games and competitions. Khelo India National Program for Development of Sports scheme aims to achieve the twin objectives of mass participation and promotion of excellence in sports. The scheme strives to promote sports for all as well as sports for excellence. This year's National Sports Award ceremony is likely to be held virtually due to the COVID-19 pandemic, with all the winners logging in from their respective places to hear their names being announced on August 29. The Sports Awards function this year is likely to be an online function. In sports, physiotherapy also play a huge role in helping athletes of all ages and all levels of ability to enhance their performance. These specialized physiotherapists provide evidence-based advice on safe participation on sport and exercise. The promotion of safe physical activity participation, provision of advice and adaptation of rehabilitation and training intervention for preventing injury, restoring optimal function, and contributing to the enhancement of sports performance.